Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11 Pro, and today I will show you how to boot the device into the DFU mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that we're gonna need, or actually two. Number one is the cable to plug the device into the computer, and number two will be iTunes. So if you're using Windows computer, you will need to download it from Apple site, and if you're using a MacBook, you don't really need to do anything, it's already there. So let's plug it in. And from there, we'll need to basically press volume up, then press volume down and hold power key for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you will add volume down. And after 5 seconds, you will let go of power key. So basically it's all timed, how long you have to keep each key individually held. And yeah, to get started, you can basically follow me. So as you can see, I'm not pressing anything right now. I'm trying to also okay. So we're gonna begin by up and down, hold power key for 10 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep holding volume down. And there's a pop-up on the screen right now that the phone is in a recovery mode, which is inaccurate, really. iTunes doesn't distinguish any difference between recovery mode or DFU. So you can just tap on OK. And basically the device is now in DFU mode. Now, apart from seeing it on iTunes as it is right now, like so, there is no other way of making it look like it's in anything. The screen is completely black, and it's basically, I think, the screen is basically off. And if you want to leave this mode, you can just unplug the device, hold the power key. So let's just plug it, and see, I think it's volume up and power key. And there it is. So it's a volume down and power key till you see the Apple logo. And you can see that it's back in the iOS system. So that is how you would boot in and out of the DFU mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.